हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू न्यूटन एकेडमी। इस सेशन में हम कुछ बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस यानी एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे, जो आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स को पूरी तरह क्लियर करने और परीक्षा की तैयारी को मजबूत करने में मदद करेंगे। मेक श्योर टू सॉल्व अलोंग विद मी एंड चेक योर प्रोग्रेस। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। How many mainly types of business transactions are there?
2, 3, 4, 5.
The right answer is there are mainly two types of business transactions. Dash transactions are those transactions whose value cannot be measured in terms of money.
Cash, credit,
Economic, non-economic. The right answer is non-economic transaction. Which transactions are not recorded in the books of accounts? Economic transactions, non-economic transactions, exchange transactions, credit transactions. The right answer is non-economic transaction. Cash received 9,000 rupees from Chandani against her order. Which type of transaction is this?
cash, credit,
Exchange, non-economic. The right answer is cash transaction. A transaction in which neither cash nor the name of person is mentioned, then what is called such a transaction?
cash, credit,
Non-economic.
personal,
The right answer is cash transactions. A transaction in which only name of the person is mentioned, then what is called such a transaction?
credit, cash,
Non-economic.
personal,
The right answer is credit transaction. Which one is not exchanged through credit transaction?
cash, goods, asset, service.
The right answer is cash. In credit transaction, which account is always affected? Bank account, purchase account, sales account, personal account. The right answer is personal account. By which transaction debtors and creditors relationship is created? Cash transaction, credit transaction, non-economic transaction, personal transaction. The right answer is credit transaction. Due to which transaction cash bank balance is not changed, but debts and dues are increased or decreased? Cash transaction, credit transaction, exchange transaction, special transaction. The right answer is credit transaction. Appointed a person as clerk on the monthly salary of 15,000 rupees. Which type of transaction is this? Economic, non-economic, exchange, other special. The right answer is non-economic transaction. Goods received in exchange of old furniture. Which type of transaction is this? Non-economic, exchange,
On approval, cash.
The right answer is exchange transaction. On which basis all business transactions are recorded in the books of accounts?
Journal, ledger, voucher, statement.
The right answer is voucher. Goods of 16,000 rupees sold to Amita stores. Due to this transaction dash happens. Stock decreases, dues decreases, asset decreases, capital decreases. The right answer is stock decreases. Open bank account by depositing 10,000 rupees in cash. Due to this transaction dash happens. Assets increases. Assets decreases. Capital increases. No change in total assets. The right answer is no change in total assets. Transaction pertaining to respective item or person is recorded at one place, and from where the summary of transactions of that item or person can be obtained, it is called dash.
Account. Tanchan. Journal.
None of these. The right answer is account. How many types of accounts are there?
1, 2, 4, 5.
The right answer is two types of account. How many types of impersonal accounts are there?
2, 3, 4, 5.
The right answer is there are two types of impersonal account. Which persons are included in personal accounts above than live persons?
Artificial. Personal. Religious. Political.
The right answer is artificial persons. Which type of account is capital account, personal account, impersonal account, nominal account, income expense account? The right answer is personal account. Which type of account is outstanding commission account, personal account, real account, nominal account, impersonal account? The right answer is personal account. Which type of account is borrowed loan account, personal account, real account, nominal account, suspense account? The right answer is personal account. Out of the following accounts, which account is included in personal accounts? Bank overdraft account, Indira Vikas Patras account, salary account of Mayank, demurrage account? The right answer is bank overdraft account. Out of the following accounts, which account is included in real accounts? Copyright account, drawings account, stationery expense account, dividend of Reliance's share account? The right answer is copyright account. Out of the following accounts, which account is not included in nominal accounts? Royalty account, demurrage account, purchase account, dividend account? The right answer is purchase account. Land building, stationery, discount, etc. accounts are considered which type of accounts? Personal accounts, impersonal accounts, temporary accounts, suspense accounts? The right answer is impersonal account. Out of the following accounts, which account is considered as nominal account? Bank fixed deposit account, apprentice premium account, prepaid salary account, life insurance premium account? The right answer is apprentice premium account. Expense for installation of machinery is which type of account? Real account, personal account, nominal account, expense account? The right answer is real account. What is stock of postage stamps for business? An expense, an income,
A loss.
an asset. The right answer is an asset. Which account is debited when goods distributed as free sample? Goods distributed as sample account, advertisement account, drawings account, sales account. The right answer is advertisement account. Which account is debited when the cash withdrawn from bank for office expense? Office expense account, bank account, cash account, drawings account. The right answer is cash account. Which account is debited when purchased balances and weights for the shop? Stationery expense account, shop expense account, drawings account, dead stock account. The right answer is dead stock account. Which account is debited when the owner purchased vehicle for personal use from business money? Vehicle account, cash account, capital account, drawings account. The right answer is drawings account. Which account is credited when 2000 rupees previously written off as bad debts of Shivani are received? Shivani account, bad debts account, bad debts return account, dividend account. The right answer is bad debts return account. Which type of account is general reserve account, personal account, real account, nominal account, suspense account? The right answer is personal account. Out of the following accounts, which account is personal account? Fire insurance premium account, apprentice premium account, life insurance premium account, theft insurance premium account. The right answer is life insurance premium account. Which type of account income tax account is? Personal account, real account, nominal account, impersonal account. The right answer is personal account. Public Provident Fund account is which type of account? Personal account, real account, nominal account, public account. The right answer is real account. How many persons are included in business transactions? Only 2 persons. More than 2 persons. 2 or more than 2 persons. Less than 2 persons. The right answer is 2 or more than 2 persons. Which type of transaction is loss due to natural factor transaction? Cash transaction, credit transaction, internal transaction, special other transaction. The right answer is internal transaction. In which type of transaction there is no need of other parties? Credit transaction, cash transaction, exchange transaction, internal transaction. The right answer is internal transaction. Which one is the pillar of accounting?
Journal. Statement. Voucher.
Transaction. right answer is voucher is the pillar of accounting. Voucher is which type of document of business transaction?
Oral, written, certified, common.
The right answer is voucher is written document of business transaction. Which persons are included in natural person? Live persons, artificial persons, religious persons, political persons. The right answer is live persons are included in natural person. Nominal accounts are also called as dash accounts, receipt payments accounts, profit loss accounts, income expenditures accounts, loss gain accounts. The right answer is nominal accounts are also called income expenditures accounts. Which of the following characteristic is not applicable to economic transaction? Cash transaction, credit transaction, external transaction, transaction without monetary value. The right answer is transaction without monetary value. Rent paid 10,000 rupees. What type of transaction is it? Cash transaction of asset, non-cash transaction of service, cash transaction of service, cash transaction of liability. The right answer is cash transaction of service. Which of the following transactions is a transaction of special nature? Goods purchased of 5,000 rupees. Goods of 5,000 rupees purchased from B. Goods of 5,000 rupees purchased through check. Goods destroyed by fire 5,000 rupees. The right answer is goods destroyed by fire 5,000 rupees. Which transaction disclosed relation of debtor and creditor? Goods purchased of 8,000 rupees. Goods of 8,000 rupees purchased from B. Goods of 8,000 rupees purchased through check. Goods destroyed by fire 8,000 rupees. The right answer is goods of 8,000 rupees purchased from B. That brings us to the end of our important multiple choice questions for Chapter 2. I hope you now have a solid understanding of the dual effect of transactions and how to classify different types of accounts. If you found this session helpful, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Newton Academy for more updates. Keep practicing, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you and take care.